Hi everyone, this is Sri Lakshmi from Informatica Technical Support. In this video, we will discuss how to perform PGP decryption in B2B Gateway. This is the agenda. So first we will discuss what PGP is, then we will move on to the keys and then the inbound flow. So PGP or Pretty Good Privacy Encryption, it is a data encryption computer program that gives cryptographic privacy and authentication for online communication. It uses symmetric and asymmetric keys to encrypt data that is transferred across the networks. It combines the features of public and private key cryptography. So there are a set of keys which are associated with PGP, and there are certain set of commands which we use to create key. So these are the commands. So PGP, when we talk about PGP, there is a set of keys which is a public key and private key. So create keyring command, it creates a public key private key pair, and create key pair command, which is the second one, it actually takes input as a type of the key, which can be RSA, and the name of the key, the password associated with it, size, as well as the expiration date and the email. The third command, which is import keys, it is used to import a public key in case we receive it from a partner. So these commands are present in our IICS online help. You can just search for PGP and you will get these commands. So coming back to the agenda, inbound flow. Inbound flow is a term which is used in B2B gateway. So when we have a partner with it, we will have two type of flows in it. One is inbound flow and the other one is outbound flow. In the inbound flow, we receive a file from the partner. So the file could be encrypted. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we can decrypt the file which we receive from the partner, which has been encrypted using PGP. So let's move on to the demo. So this is my B2B gateway page in IICS. I'm going to create a new partner. I'm giving a sample customer number, location is default, and file type I'm selecting custom. Now let's move on to the inbound flow. So inbound flow, I am selecting advanced SFTP v2 type connection, and this is my connection. The source directory would be root PGP inbound. So this is my source directory PGP inbound. Here I have a PGP encrypted file. It is an encrypted file. You can't view the contents of it. So let's decrypt this file. File pattern, there is only one file in it, so I'm just giving dot star. Okay, so coming to file transfer task, we have two options, decrypt and decompress. Let's select decrypt. Now let's come to the mandatory fields under decrypt. So I have to take all the files in this location, which is root inbound. There is only one file for now, so I'm giving dot star. And PGP passphrase. So PGP passphrase is nothing but the password that we use to create the key pair. So when we encrypt a file, we use the public key which is given by the partner. When we decrypt the file, we use our private key. So when we receive a file from the partner will be encrypting the file using our public key, which can be decrypted only using our private key. So when we, in the case of PGP decryption, we have to give the password here. So the password which I used to create the key pair is this. So I have given the passphrase, PGP passphrase. So this basically indicates the private key. So this is not the private key. We have a private key in our file integration service folder, data folder. In order to read that private key, we need this passphrase. So let's select the inbound task, inbound DI task, which I have already created. PGP inbound task and select. Okay. Now save it. And let's decrypt it. Run the inbound flow, which will decrypt the file. Okay, so the file has been decrypted. Let's check this file in the secure agent B2B doc store. Yeah, this is the file which has been decrypted. So we are able to see the contents of the file. So this is how we perform PGP decryption. When we talk about PGP encryption, it will be the outbound flow. Yeah, it has encrypted the file, decrypted the file anyways. So when we talk about the partner outbound flow, that is when we provide the public key to encrypt it. That is not covered in this video. It will be created in a separate KB, video KB. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any feedbacks, please let us know. We will work on it and get back to you. Thank you for your time.